in the entrance, we really want this finished space to feel luxurious and generous, even though it's not the biggest home.
The windows at the front of the property at the moment, they're just ugly.
I have no idea how Bonnie's going to fix that. Oh my God!
The pace is red hot.
So in the entry of the home, the floor plan actually isn't changing that much. We just need to open it up. So we're going to remove the nib wall, create some big double doors, which are great for a front door entrance. And we're going to get rid of the original kitchen and move it somewhere else. And we're going to make it a lounge room and a dining space.
So when you come in through the big double doors, you're presented with the main living space.
So where does the gas strap go?
There, oh no, wait, it's not a gas strap.
Oh, sorry, I keep calling it gas strap. It's a bifold.
Oh,
We're doing a bifold.
what happened to the gas strap?
No, I'm just spicing it up a bit. Are you disappointed?
I'm very disappointed.
We'll see who gets their way.
You know you can do stackable windows into a cavity. I just saw them at a friend's house the other day.
You two just told me not to do them. Standing over there. Oh.
Erin, what does this become?
Sometimes they're just so loud, they don't even hear what I'm saying. Alrighty. You know, when Lana does come on site, she's a big personality. Bonnie's on site, barking orders, she's a big personality, but I just let them do their thing. And I know at the end of the day that they'll quieten down eventually and we'll come back to reality, and then the decision will get made when I'm involved. Yeah.
Picture window. Nice.
Well, let's see if we can do that.
So 24,
Great
how much?
ideas.
Yeah, thanks.
I think the biggest challenge for this house was kind of the shape of it, how to connect that front living room with the back extension and where to put the dining table. Should it be in the front room or right in front of the kitchen? And I think today Bonnie's changing her mind at the last minute, of course.
Where I'm standing now is actually where the existing door was previously, so we've kept it in the same spot, but we've given the house these big double doors to give it a beautiful feature at the front. And we really ummed about what to do with these windows here. We were actually going to get rid of them, but we decided to keep them. And we're going to give them a scrub and a paint and they'll look brand new.
So our flooring has just gone in today and we're using a completely different flooring in this reno. We've never used it before. It's the newest product from Godfrey Hirst called Artemis Hybrid. And I've got it here in my hand. You can see how thin it is, but it is so durable. It actually brings together the benefits of laminate and vinyl. And it's so quick and easy to install. This has just gone down and we can already walk on it. No glues, no nails, no sanding, it's ready to go.
The flooring, I am so happy with. I mean, it's called Goddess, so I was never not choosing it. The colour's perfect. It will go with every piece of furniture in this house. You just can't go wrong with it.
Today's a great day on site because it's raining outside, it's freezing, which means everyone's inside, working on top of each other, a great energy, and there's been so much progress. How good do the double doors look?
I love them.
That just looks amazing.
So this room has been transformed by paint.
Yeah.
We're still only on undercoat, but see the difference?
Can you believe we were thinking of replacing these? We were for a short period of time.
That was the initial plan.
Oh hey, we were wondering, what colour white have you chosen?
White on white.
Right, just for something different? Do you like white on white?
I'm going to struggle to use something else ever again. It's just the most perfect white. Oh my God! Oh my God, they look amazing.
What? Oh.
The skirting boards, interim ones.
It's funny how passionate we've become about skirting boards. Like, we never used to talk about it.
The skirting here from Interim looks amazing because I think it looks so big. The detailing starts higher than the detailing in mine, so therefore it looks bigger because you've got that flatter face. It's freaking amazing, isn't it?
And it looks expensive.
And hey, what will go in that corner, out of curiosity? I've never asked you that.
Well, we're not quite sure, it's still contentious.
God,
Yes, everything's a bit contentious.
Okay, let's all talk about furniture and homewares
at this moment.
I honestly don't know. I will be styling it as a dining table.
Dining, because I
Yes.
thought dining was in the kitchen.
No, we swapped it out.
Of course we did.
Yeah, everyone keeps asking me what's happening with the main living area and I'm not there yet. I don't exactly know, but I do know that it'll be good.
Hey, I thought this was going to be an opening window, like open up?
It was going to be a gas front originally,
But Erin
bifold,
stabbed me.
and I said no, and she said no.
Why? The budget. We can't have everything, and that's the thing. You've got to give and take, and it was a juggle.
And they're not cheap. It's a juggle of what you can and can't have in a house.
We've got a number of bench seats that Bond put in for aesthetic reasons, and then I've managed to get storage inside of those. So I just like to take those opportunities as they arise to throw a bit more storage in there.
Oh my God, this house feels like a dream compared to my house. Every time I come here, so much changes. It's pretty cool. The pace is like red hot.
You can't be dramatic all the time. I know the girls will think that's very rich coming from me, but you can't, and the same goes for how you style a house. So in the main space when you first enter the house, we just want to take people on the journey, just ease them into it with that first room. Okay, I'm getting good at throws.
Yes.
Oh, just wait. Are these from Freedom?
Yeah.
This is really hard. No, just give me some time over here. Throw. All right, you do it.
Oh my God, have you planted it out?
Yeah.
God, you're lucky I liked it.
Done. Awesome. And not too dramatic.
Unlike yourself.
Well, here we are in the finished front entrance of the house. First of all, how about the double doors? We used to be all wedged up over here with the nib wall. That's gone. And we've opened it up into a beautiful front lounge room. I'm loving how it's come together. So because this sofa is right in the front entrance of the house, we chose a really low back one so you can look past it. This one's from Freedom and it fits the space perfectly. And we've gone for all these neutral colours but loads of texture. Now we wanted a long cabinet for this wall, but that can cost a bit of money. So we just bought these two sideboards from Freedom Furniture and pushed them together and voila, gorgeous. And so flowing on from this lounge space is the dining room. Now there was a lot of chopping and changing in terms of what this space was going to be, but it's finished, so I can now categorically say it's a dining room, and it's gorgeous. So you'll remember this is actually where the original kitchen was. That was right here, and so now it's become the dining room, and it's just perfect. I love all the natural light, and the oval-shaped table works really well here. Now you could probably fit more chairs around here if you had people over, but just for your family, these really comfy chairs are so luxurious. Now I know we've kept this space quite neutral, but we did that intentionally because there is so much drama hidden behind all the other doors in this house. Just wait till you see what's behind these shutters. This is going to become the ultimate alfresco oasis.
Lush greenery.
The third bedroom is now a bar.
What? I just nearly died. Dark, dark, dark.
I'm really confident that we're just going to nail that section out the back.
This can be entertaining. That's all entertaining. That wallpaper is...
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.